Welcome to Bubbly Facts.
Hi, I am an eagle. I can see a tiny rabbit from miles away. My eyes are super powered. I fly higher than most birds. I'm the king of the sky. I can dive super fast when hunting. Zoom!
I can live for decades, strong and majestic.
I stay loyal to one partner. Eagle love is strong. My nest can grow huge, like a giant birdhouse. I use strong winds to glide higher. Storms don't scare me. I can look toward bright light better than humans. I love high mountains. That's my kingdom. I clean my feathers daily to stay flight ready.
I can lock my claws in place so I don't fall while sleeping.
I encourage my babies to fly early.
It makes them stronger.
That's it, keep trying. My beak grows continuously. I sharpen it to keep it perfect. I replace old feathers every year to stay flight ready. Sometimes I steal food from other birds. Sky pirate mode. My bones are hollow, light for flying but super strong.
I prefer hunting alone. I'm an independent sky hunter.
Your sky superstar eagle says bye-bye.